With over 1 billion iPhone users worldwide, Apple's iconic smartphone has become an integral part of modern life. But what does it take to make one of the most advanced tech products on the planet? Did you know the iPhone accounts for over 50% of Apple's total revenue? Or that over 2 million apps exist in the iOS App Store, which users have downloaded over 240 billion times? Manufacturing an iPhone requires over 1,000 steps over 400-plus days, spanning sites across 6 countries and 3 continents. We'll peel back the curtain on Apple's top-secret supply chains, orchestrating space-age factories filled with nimble robots and vigilant specialists working in harmony. From mining rare earth metals to precision machining unibody frames, we'll uncover the hidden complexity inside these pocket-sized marvels of consumer electronics that have become such a phenomenon. This is the untold odyssey of how iPhones are made. It all begins in Cupertino, California, where Apple's industrial designers conceptualize each new iPhone model in extreme secrecy, hidden away in locked studios, not unlike that of Willy Wonka's idea-incubating chocolate factory. They determine the ideal ergonomic dimensions, feather-light weight, lustrous materials, hip colors, and component layout based on emerging tech and evolving user needs. Over 1,000 concepts get explored for each new model before narrowing it down to the perfect form. Apple files over 3,000 patents just for each iPhone to protect the hundreds of breakthrough innovations coming to market. No single person holds all the answers. Instead, an intense collaboration between designers, engineers, programmers across disciplines, and supply chain partners across continents helps transform even the wildest ideas into tangible products ready for high-volume manufacture. Samsung and LG develop next-gen OLED displays in South Korea, packing millions of pixels into a few diagonal inches. The unmatched color accuracy and inky blacks set iPhone screens apart from any other mobile devices. Sony hones image sensors in Japan to capture vivid, sharp photos in various lighting, while still fitting inside the slim unibody frame. Each new model pushes camera hardware to faster focus speeds, better low-light performance, and advanced stabilization for professional-grade images right from your pocket. Several rare earth metals form the lifeblood for powering iPhones and next-gen components. Neodymium offers the magnetic strength to drive headphone speakers inside the tiny enclosure. Praseodymium boosts battery storage capacity 30 to 40% more than without it. Dysprosium increases heat resistance, so processors can crunch AI tasks without melting down. Miners unearth these scarce minerals from clay deposits and bedrock mainly in China, Africa, and Australia. To achieve sub-millimeter design tolerances with aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, iPhone enclosure frames take shape from CNC, computer numerical control machining. Here, robotic arms wield precision drills, routers, and other cutting tools guided by custom G-code to carve sleek, rigid chassis from alloy blocks. Water jets slice headphone jack holes while diamond blades and lathes smooth edges. This heavy machining prepares enclosure frames for further micro-precision refinement on the assembly line. Final iPhone assembly orchestrates an intricate global collaboration between advanced robotic automation and skilled human oversight. At Foxconn's flagship, Longhua Science and Technology Park campus near Shenzhen, China, over 350,000 workers manufacture 500,000 iPhones daily across highly orchestrated factory lines. Workers get split into teams handling specific production stages. Line workers focus on display bonding, camera construction, and logic board population, while inspection staff examines output. Production happens 24/7, with most workers putting in at least 60 hours per week to meet demand. Apple operations executives oversee manufacturing strategy, quality adherence, and workflow optimizations to maximize efficiency. This blend of robotic extreme precision guided by vigilant specialists yields flawless iPhone construction under one roof. Devices get put through automated optical examinations, hunting for even one dead pixel out of 4 million on old displays. All get linked to Apple servers to confirm hardware-software integration before the final iOS installation. Only flawless units ship after this rigorous quality testing. iPhones ultimately reach customers worldwide through Apple's masterful global logistics network centered on regional distribution hubs. Inventory gets flown daily using dedicated Apple Freight aircraft and partnerships with shipping giants like FedEx. Local carriers then transport units the last miles to Apple stores, and partner retailers located strategically based on demographics, growth, and store metrics. This resilient infrastructure ensures millions of loyal customers and new users worldwide can experience the latest iPhones shortly after Tim Cook reveals them on stage, despite the tremendous complexity behind the scenes. From sculpting durable glass and metal exteriors to testing sophisticated core computing components, The iPhone represents one of humanity's most impressive coordination of suppliers, manufacturers, programmers, designers, and delivery networks to produce cutting-edge personal tech year after year. So the next time you see someone casually browsing Instagram or snapping flawless photos with their glossy new iPhone, take a moment to appreciate the immense innovation in materials, pioneering processes, and synchronized global deliveries all over the world responsible for putting that effortless power comfortably in the palm of their hand.